Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix green line on your phone screen on your Android device. So I am going to tell you different ways that you can fix this problem. So the first one is to simply switch off your phone. So start by turning off and then turning back on your phone. So don't just turn off the green. Don't just turn off the screen, switch off the phone completely and restart it, because it makes your phone restart everything and close everything. So the simple remedy solves a lot of issues. So restarting your phone should be resolve any temporary software issues that may have resulted in green line. And then next is to remove any recently used applications. So uninstall any apps that you have already installed. So if the green line is caused by any incompatible or malfunctioning app, uninstalling it may resolve your issue. So if you've recently changed your settings, try undoing them as well. And the next way is to reboot your phone in a safe mode. So safe mode is a restricted mode that prevents all but the most essential apps from launching on your phone. So this is a good way to determine if you have a software issue. So if the green line disappears in safe mode, it means that there's a problem with the app, is setting, or the operating system. And the last way that you can do is to make sure that your Android device is up to date. So to check if there are any operating system update available for your phone. So if you have a problem with your current version of Android, the update may fix it. So it is possible that your phone's manufacturer has already released an update that resolves the green line issue on the screen. So to test, perform the following steps. You can go ahead and tap onto your settings and then just scroll down until the very bottom and you will see this software update. So if your device is out of date, you will notice that a new update is available. Otherwise, you will see the message your system is up to date and then accept the update installation and you're done. So that is all for this video, and I hope that the ways fixes the problem on your phone. And I hope this happened. If it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.